Hey foodies, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this yummy jollof rice. Like, it's super easy and super yummy. If you don't know how to make jollof rice, watch this and you'll be a pro in just 8 minutes. Okay, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please like now so you won't forget. Thank you. So first off, you have to dry your pot. Like, you want your pot without any single water in it, because we're going to be frying our rice. Yes, you have to fry your rice for this jollof rice recipe. Okay, add your oil, any oil of your choice: coconut, groundnut oil, sesame seed oil, any oil is fine. Okay, add your chopped onions, your dry thyme, then you add your washed rice. Please wash this rice properly. Okay, this rice is not cooked, it's still raw, but washed properly. Okay, so you want to fry this rice to change this color a bit. Don't leave the pot, keep turning, keep frying. Okay, so you don't want to get a burnt rice. Add your seasoning to the rice you're frying. I said let me show you guys my Christmas nails. It's nice, right? I love it. So let's keep frying our rice. So our rice is ready now. This is how yours should look like. It should have this whitish parts in it. Okay, so you know that it's ready. Can you see it? So now you're going to add enough water to cook this rice. So our rice is ready. This is how it should look when you're done boiling. Okay, so in another pot you add your vegetable oil, coconut oil, whichever oil you're planning to use for this. Okay, add your onions, your garlic and ginger, add your dry thyme, Then add your shombo, tatashi and pepper paste. You fry till it's done. Then you add your tomato paste. Add your seasoning. Your bay leaves. Then grate half teaspoon of nutmeg. Then add your fried rice. Add little water to help you mix them together. Please like this video if you haven't. Thank you. So your yummy jollof rice is ready. Like, this jollof rice was so yummy. The way it went down, my kids kept asking for more. Please, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.